Hello everyone, this is Tom with Stock Navigator and this is today's market update for April 7, 2020. So the overall the market is bearish, but we are in the bear rally. So after they drop so far to the bottom, so the market is try to find a way to push it back up a little bit, and then we will see how far it can go. If you look at the market at this morning, after they shoot it back up to the top and then they run out of gas, they pull back down, and then this is a very important level for the uh, uh, SP 500 because as you can see, this level many times they hit to this level, they fail. So this one is very strong resistance. So after they pull back down and be able to break out of this area, and today they put it back up but then they run out of gas. So as long as they can hold on above this level, the market is still have a chance to put another one up before they will tell it, okay, if they break below this upper support line here. Okay, so at this moment, okay, overnight, if the future is to be able to hold on to this level, and then we do have another chance. And then if you look at smaller time frame, you see the market it run up, they pull back down, they hit back up, they pull back down. As long as they still hold about this level, okay, we still have a chance to get it higher. Okay, so this is a very important level for the year. Okay. So that's what we have for you on the SB 500. If you look at the SBY, you can see that the SBY uh, overall SBY, as you can see this morning, the market is open. They gave up. Okay, so the market here is kind of weird. Okay, when they put it back up, and then they gap down. Okay, they hold it up here, and then they gap up, and then they put it back up. Right? And then they continue to go up. And today they gap up and then they pull back. They try to fill the gap. So this is a very important level for the SBY. So in the morning, if the future be able to hold up in the upside, we still have another chance for SBY to put it back up. So let's see how they lay out tomorrow. And if they don't want to go up, and then we have to repair for another leg down. But at this moment, I think that this line is very strong support here. So they should be able to hold up for the SPY again. So the market, if you look at lately, they gave up, they gave down, they gave up. Okay, so they have to come back and fill the gap. That's the normal market will do, especially when they gap up, they will pull back so that they can fill up the gap. So right now, if we look at a lot of stock, oil stock, it seems like they try to bottom out and then they try to find a way. After the first run up, you can see the oil stock is able to hit back up and pull back down and find a way up. Okay, so as you can see that a lot of them at like today, I didn't do a future trade. I tried to focus on the a lot of old stock here. So we try to see that after they first run up, okay, how far they pull back. Seems like they be able to pull back at a support here. If they be able to pull up here tomorrow, if the market turn around, because I think that they're already waiting for a couple of presidents to hold a meeting, either Wednesday or Thursday, and then this one will find a way to jump again. Okay, so a lot of stuff yesterday. Um, Also, you can see a lot of cruise ship stop that's in the water, but seems like they are able to hold up a double bottom here, and now they also try to find a way to go higher. But definitely on the way up, they still have a lot of resistance waiting for them on the top here. So let's see how far they can go. Okay. Okay, so this is another uh, cruise ship they call Royal Caribbean. Same thing, Royal Caribbean look like they are pretty strong too. They go up, they double bottom here, and then buy up. They pull back to the support, so they will find a way to get up here and test the resistance area here again. Okay, so couple of stock like uh, chevron chevron at after they run up, they hit to the resistance area here. So definitely they had tried to pull back a little bit before they can get some momentum. Also, okay, ExxonMobil at still in the up to the uptrend rebound, but there's a lot of resistance here also. So that's all I have for you guys, and this is the market update. Okay, and if I have anything new, I will try to update for you to see where the market go. If you like what we are doing here, and please subscribe to our YouTube channel by clicking the subscribe button below, or you can check out our website at stocknavigators.com if you want to learn how to understand financial market, how to trade, how to read the chart, and please come and join us again. So thank you for watching, and we see you in the next video.